A lovely lady decided to comment on one of my videos and say you should dress for your age.
Well, I mean, you're begging all sorts of intrusive questions, such as what age are you?
Well, I kind of have told everybody, I think, what my age is. I'm 33. But I also think, first of all...
Wow, you're so old.
I know. But I think, like, since when? I didn't get the memo that once you turn 30, you have to put on, like, woolly jumpers and, like, beige trousers. Do you know what I mean? Or, like, a dress suit. And I also think... Who died and made you Gok Won, Patricia? Do you know what I mean? So,
are you sure though? I mean, because a lot of time this might be just some fat bloke in his 40s who's pretending to somebody else just so he can snipe at people.
Yeah, it could be. Well, I had a look at her profile. And I would never judge anybody, but I also wouldn't be taking, style tips from her either. And I just think, I like to express myself through what I wear. And I feel like if you're going to judge someone on what they wear, it's more of a you problem than it is what the person is wearing.
But it still annoyed you though.
Yeah, it did. It did a little bit.
Dress your age, God, that's nonsense,
I
really.
know, yeah. And I just would never notice it on anybody else. Like whether you are wearing something or if you're wearing nothing at all, I'm not going to see it because I'm quite happy with my little, lemon cohort and living my best life.